Hello and greetings. This is Mike from Codex IT School. How are you? Today I'd like to show you how to simply install Java version 17 or even 18 on your Mac computer. So if you didn't subscribe yet, just subscribe and give us your likes and click on the bell just to get latest updates, and let's get started. If you need to install Java-based applications, you definitely need Java. So how can you actually check that you have Java on your computer, on your Mac, or your actually Windows, but this video is about Mac computers? It's pretty simple. Just go to your applications and then navigate to the bottom where it says Utilities and just simply open Terminal. Step number one, we have to navigate to top navigation menu and then select Go and then Utilities. Then inside Utilities folder, just scroll a little bit down and then you can see a terminal. Just double click on it. So please ignore that my terminal has a black background and Comic Sans font family. It's absolutely customizable, so you can go to settings and then you can go to preferences and then customize your terminal however you want. All right, so first step, we have to just type Java and then space and then dash and then version and press enter. Do you see on my side, I have the message, the operation could not be completed, unable to locate a Java runtime. The next message says, please visit http://www.java.com for information on installing Java. Right, so we can go to that website to install version 8, the latest build for version number 8, or you can go to website oracle.com. So on the Oracle website, you can install the latest version, the latest build. And because it's today, Monday, August 22nd and year 2022, the latest build I've seen on the Oracle website is 18. So, okay, let's go. Let's go and grab that, Java Development Kit or simply JDK, and then we can install it. And then we will be running this command java dash version one more time after installation. Okay, just simply open your web browser, new window, and simply type java download. Then you can see download Java for Windows, and if you click on that, you'll be able to download version number 8 and update 341. But for example, for JetBrains, a license server, you have to install version 18 or later. For example, version 17, 16 or so, right? So this particular version, number 8, is not compatible with many applications, especially with that license server. So if you're interested in how to install JetBrains license server, you can find the video on our channel. Just search it. All right, so we're going back. Scroll a little bit down until you see Java downloads, and then you can see that the latest downloads available right now on the Oracle website are Java 18 and Java 17. So you don't need to, register on the Oracle website. You don't need to have account on the Oracle website. Just simply, select the version. It's either Java 18 or Java 17. I'm going to select, I'm going to keep the version 18 at this time. And then the next one, what operating system, right? Linux is not my choice. Windows, right? Maybe next time. Of course, yeah, because I know many users are watching this video on the YouTube channel Codex IT School. They use Windows operating system. Definitely, I will probably record the video for you guys. All right, so macOS in this video, just click on it. So super simple explanation, what's the difference? So ARM is a processor architecture. So if you're interested to know what is ARM, just give me a thumbs up, message me in the comments, and I will explain what's the difference between different CPU, like central processing unit architecture, Intel or ARM architecture. So it's really interesting. But today, I'm not going to use that because my computer, my Mac is basically it's Intel, right? Intel Core i3. So this is not ARM architecture, the processor. So that's why I'm going to pay attention to these two options. Option number one, it's compressed archive. Basically, it's just the TAR and then GZ extensions. And this one is regular, simple DMG installer. Many, like lots of applications and software specifically developed for Mac operating systems have DMG extension. So that's why I'm going to use that. Just double click on it if needed. On the bottom left, I see that 20 seconds left before this window will be open. Let me just click, and I'm going to wait for the installer window. So while waiting for this, downloading, my recommendation to you, before you actually installing something on the Java-based application, my recommendation to you is just to read documentation and definitely, check what version of Java is required, because it's a big confusion. I know, like my students, actually, my colleagues are sometimes spending time, like wasting time, um, because they do not install properly uh, needed versions of Java. So they need to uninstall, they need to install again. It's basically wasting time. So my recommendation is just to check before you installing anything or something. Okay, double click. Install JDK Java Development Kit version 11.0.2.1. This is the latest build, as you can see, Monday 22nd and the year 2022. So continue. 311.6 megabytes is required. Okay, install. Then I need to install using my password, install software. And after some time, install succeeded, right? Now it's going to be closed. We don't need this installer, so that's why if you see this message, do you wanted to move this JDK installer to trash? Yes, I won't, because I don't need it. Goodbye. All right, I don't need this website, I don't need browser. Now it's time to open terminal one more time. Again, probably you should remember that already. So just navigate to Go and then Utilities, open terminal, and simply type Java space and then hyphen and then version and press enter. Now, as you can see, I do have a new version. It's a Java version 18.0.2.1. Fantastic news. Yeah, so just check on your side, give me any feedback. If something is not working on your side, maybe you'll get some, error or mistakes or some issues on your side. Welcome. And just finally, I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share with your friends, because yeah, so many interesting videos, so many interesting topics will be covered very and very soon. All right, that was Mike from Codex IT School. Subscribe and we'll see each other very soon. Goodbye.